At the doorway, this is the entryway. This is in the out room. There are two beds. I'll come back to this. This is stairways going up to the master bedroom. Artwork. See if you can see out into the parking lot. Okay, master bedroom. I brought my soft blanket. So that's a California king. Well, my blinds are still down. A TV and a desk. Closet. Ta-da! Bathroom. I'm not going to show myself in the mirror. Yeah, I am. Okay. Very deep tub. And a very large walk-in shower. Let's see. Oh yeah, this has got a deck on the outside. Shoot, it's going to be too long to send to you. I might have to do another one, short one. Open. Open. View. Hey, this is we're on outside the family room or living room. This is our view from the deck. Okay, table and chairs. Barbecue. Might go get steak or something this week. See, if it was cold, we'd have a fireplace. Don't think we're going to be using that, as each day is going to get hotter and hotter. There's a dining room. Hey, Nat. Lovely kitchen. We gotta get champagne for the champagne bucket. Our wine. There's light work. And then there's door to go outside. Yes. Bathroom. And it has a shower and a tub also. Oh, and our washer and our dryer.